So on Instagram, I'm horrible. I just scroll all night long. But I got an ad for a different protein powder. And they were making like a chocolate chip cookie muffin out of their protein powder. And I was like, I don't like that brand, but I love Keto Chow. So I'm gonna try it with Keto Chow and see what happens. I think the cookies and cream has more of a straight vanilla kind of flavor. And so I'm thinking these will make good chocolate chip cookie muffins. Let's try it. So I have my oven preheating and I have 2 packages of cookies and cream Keto Chow, 1 egg, baking powder, Lily's milk chocolate chips, my homemade vanilla, heavy whipping cream, and some almond flour. The original recipe was a different protein powder that's not keto friendly. Sorry for the birds. And it also called for oat flour, which is definitely not keto friendly, but I'm gonna turn these into keto friendly treats and hopefully it works. Since this batter or dough turned out super thick, I went ahead and decided to try a few just on parchment like you would normal cookies. So we'll see what happens. I've got 9 muffin tins full and then some smaller ones for cookies. I'm gonna throw these in the oven at 350 for about, I think I'll start 15-20 minutes and go from there. All right, so our muffins just came out of the oven and I'm gonna try one and see how good they are. They smell delicious. Take a look at these. Oh my gosh, y'all. So even the ones that I made into like little cookies, they baked up perfect. Don't know what the texture's like yet, but so I have the little cookie shaped ones and then the ones that I did in the muffin tins. Obviously the muffin ones you can get a little bit bigger. So Here goes nothing. I think I'll take this one. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it is like cake-like on the inside. So muffin, definitely not cookie. Okay, here we go. Those are good. Those are really, really good. They're not very sweet. The chocolate, I used milk chocolate, and that made it just the perfect amount of sweet. Oh. All right, I'm gonna go have another one of these. See ya.